Hello everyone. So today for math, we're going to combine lessons 15 and 16. So we're going to do some of each, okay? So the pages you're going to be doing is page 59, page 60, page 63, and page 64. Materials needed, as always, it's always the same. You're going to need your math book, your quiet place to work, your pencil, probably an eraser would be a good idea as well. So our objectives for today, we have two. So our first one is I can subtract 9 from teen numbers, which is what we've been practicing. And I can relate counting on to making 10 and taking from 10. So counting on, we've done that strategy before. That strategy is just saying so from 9 to 17, we would count on to see what the answer is. So we would go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So then we would see that we needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more to get from 9 to 17. We did a lot of counting on when we used our number path at the beginning of the year, earlier in the year, rather. So you can use a number path or you can use a picture to count on as well. All right, so we're going to start with problem number 15. And so this exercise is matching the pictures with the number sentences. Okay, so to start, and when I do matching, I don't want you to necessarily worry about drawing the lines. I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's do the first box together. So to figure out what the number sentence is, first we're going to count the total number of circles. So let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, before I continue on, I'm going to draw on the circles just so you can see which ones I'm counting. I just want you to point with your pencil or your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So on the side here, I want you to write the number 16. Now, I'm noticing that all of these number sentences here all have subtraction signs. So that must mean these pictures are for subtraction. How would we know how many they are taking away? How would we know that? What in the picture is giving us this idea, like the clue? That's right. So the ones that they're taking away are the ones that they've crossed off. So now we're going to count the number of circles that were crossed off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they're taking away 9. Okay. And then to find out the answer, how many are left, we're going to count the circles that are not crossed off. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this equation is 16 minus 9 equals 7. Now I'm going to look again over here on the side to find which equations match that picture. So let's see. Letter A is 13 minus 9 equals 4. That's not the same. 14 minus 9, no. 17, no. 18. Oh, 16 minus 9 equals 7. So that's the one we want. So we're going to just write the letter E next to the picture like that. I don't want you to worry about drawing the lines because then it can kind of get confusing. So I just want you to write the letters, okay? So now I want you to pause your video and you're going to finish these last 4 problems. You have to figure out what the whole equation is, write it on the sides here, and then write the letters that it matches. So go ahead and pause your video and complete these problems. All right, now we're going to practice subtracting with 9 again. But this time we have to draw the picture. So when you're drawing your picture, just be careful that you don't draw too many. So what I like to do is always go back and check and double check. Count again. So let's see. The first one says 11 minus 9. So we're going to draw 11 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, I'm going to go back and count and make sure I have enough circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. I have 11. And now it says take away 9. So we're going to take away 9. We're going to cross off 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we need to count how many are left. We have 1, 2. So our answer is 2. Ooh, I erased part of my circle. Again, if you at any point, if you need more time, just pause the video and then you can start it back up. All right, so now I'm going to do number 3 with you. That one's over here. It says 13 minus 9 equals blank. So we're going to start by drawing 13 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Again, I'm going to go back and count to make sure I have the correct amount of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect. And now, how many are we going to take away? How do you know that? Right, the problem tells us. It says take away 9 right there. So we're going to take 9 circles away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to count all the circles that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 circles left. So our answer is 4. All right. Now you're going to do, I'll draw the picture and then you can finish solving, okay? So, let's see. This one says 16 minus 9. So again, I'll draw 16 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I ran out of room, so I'm going on the side. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Again, we're going to take away 9. We're going to cross off 9 because it says take away 9 in our problem. So we're going to take away 9. And we're going to count the number that's left. Great. Now that you're done with number 4, I want you to do number 5 by yourself. Please pause your video and complete these few problems. Okay, now that we completed 1 through 5, we are going to do just these last 4. So turn your page. You're just going to do problems 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this is the same thing that we were just working on. We're going to draw our picture. We're going to cross off some of our picture. And then we're going to count how many are left. I'll do number 6 with you. Let's see, it says 14 minus 9 equals. So we're going to draw 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we have to take away 9, so I'm going to cross off 9. And I'm going to count the rest of the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer is 5. Go ahead and pause your video and solve 7, 8, and 9. Now I want you to turn the page again. So it's lesson 16. And the page number is 63 on the bottom. So now we're going to do something similar. We're still taking 9 away. We're just going to look at different strategies and see which one is easier. Okay. So let's start by reading the word problem. It says, Lucy had 12 balloons at her birthday. Let's underline 12 balloons. She gave 9 balloons to her friend. Underline, gave 9 balloons. So if she gave them away, are we going to add or subtract? We're going to subtract because she gave them away. She doesn't have them anymore, so it's like taking away, gave away. How many balloons did she have left? And have left is also a clue that we're subtracting. So they wrote our equations here for us. That we have A, 12 minus 9, and B, 12 minus 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve this problem 2 different ways, okay? So the first way, number A, is it says counting on. So for counting on, we're going to start at 9, and we're going to see how many more we need to get to 12. So to show this, we're going to write the number 9, and we're going to circle it. That's where we're going to start. Then we're going to draw more while we're counting until we get to 12. So we're going to say 9, 10, 11, 12. How many more did we need? How many more lines did I draw? 1, 2, 3. So 12 minus 9 equals 3. The next strategy we're going to use is making our group of 10, okay? So, to make our group of 10, we're going to use 12. So, we have our number bond here, and we're going to have 10, and then from 10 to 12, how many? Let's see, 10, 11, 12. Oh, 2, okay. So our number bond is going to be 10 and 2 because that makes 12. Then we're going to do 10 minus 9, and we know that equals 1. And now we have to use this 2 because we didn't use it yet. And we're going to do 1 plus 2, and that equals 3. And so we have to fill in our sentence at the bottom. Lucy had blank balloons left. How many balloons did Lucy have? 3. So this is just practicing 2 strategies, okay? Let's do the next one together as well. This one says, Justin had 15 blueberries on his plate. So we're going to underline 15 blueberries. Then it says he ate 9 of them. Underline, 8, 9. How many does he have left to eat? Have left to eat is important. That's our clue. So again, letter A, we're going to practice counting on. So we're going to start at 9, and we're going to count on until we get to 15, okay? We're going to keep counting. So let's write our 9 and circle it, 9, and now we're going to keep counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many more lines did we need to get to 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How are we doing so far, okay? All right, now we're going to try our making a 10 group strategy. So one part of our number bond is going to be 10. What's the other part? 10 and what make 15? 10 and 5. Very good. We're going to do 9. Oops, sorry. We're not going to do 9. 10, sorry. We're going to do 10 minus 9. We know that equals 1. And we're going to do 1 plus the other part, 5, equals 6. So again, our answer is 6. And the sentence says, Justin has blank blueberries left to eat. He has 6 blueberries left. Again, if you need more time, you can pause the video. Okay. Number 3. This is our last problem. This is our last one. It's the same thing we've been doing. There's just no word problem this time. There's no little story to go with it. So our equation says 11 minus 9 equals. So we're going to start at 9 again, and we're going to count on until we get to 11. 9, 10, 11. Oh, that was fast. How many did we need to draw? 2. That's right. Now we're going to use letter B, and we're going to find our group of 10. So let's see, 11 is 10, 1. Oh, just like when we're doing our say 10 counting way. 10, 1 is 11. So we're going to do 10 minus 9 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And now over here on the side, this is just the last thing, it says take from 10 or count on. It just wants you to check off which one you thought was better for this problem. I think counting on was a little bit easier for this one because 11 and 11 and 9 are so close, sorry. But when you have bigger numbers, like 9 and let's say 17, making our 10 would be easier. You guys did a great job. Please take a picture of all of the pages and send to Miss Nicole in your portfolio.